Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 foods that can help detoxify your brain. Our brain is our most vital organ, controlling everything from our thoughts to our movements. Keeping it healthy and detoxified is crucial for overall well-being. Certain foods provide the nutrients and antioxidants necessary to protect our brain from damage and improve its function. We'll explore 5 powerhouse foods that promote brain health and detoxification. Stick around as we delve into the benefits of blueberries, turmeric, broccoli, pumpkin seeds, and green tea. So, let's get into it. First up, we have blueberries. These tiny, vibrant berries are packed with antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which reduce oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Blueberries are also rich in vitamins C and K, as well as fiber, which supports overall brain health. Studies have shown that regular consumption of blueberries can improve memory and cognitive function. They help stimulate the growth of new brain cells and improve communication between brain cells. Plus, they're incredibly versatile and can be easily added to smoothies, salads, or even enjoyed on their own as a tasty snack. So next time you're at the grocery store, be sure to pick up some blueberries and give your brain a delicious health-boosting treat. Remember, a handful of blueberries a day can keep the brain fog away. Next on our list is turmeric, often hailed as the golden spice due to its vibrant color and numerous health benefits. Turmeric contains curcumin, a compound with potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can help protect the brain from damage. Chronic inflammation has been linked to various neurodegenerative conditions, including Alzheimer's disease. Curcumin can cross the blood-brain barrier, directly benefiting the brain. It has been shown to increase levels of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a type of growth hormone that functions in the brain. Higher BDNF levels are associated with improved mood, memory, and overall cognitive function. You can add turmeric to soups, stews, smoothies, or even make a calming turmeric tea. So spice up your meals with turmeric and give your brain the boost it deserves. Third on our list is broccoli, a cruciferous vegetable that is incredibly nutritious and beneficial for brain health. Broccoli is high in sulforaphane, a compound that supports brain health and detoxification. Sulforaphane helps to activate antioxidant and detoxification pathways in the brain, protecting it from oxidative stress and potential damage. In addition to sulforaphane, broccoli is also rich in vitamins K and C, as well as folate and fiber, all of which are important for maintaining cognitive function. Including broccoli in your diet is simple and versatile. You can steam it, roast it, add it to salads, or even blend it into smoothies. So don't forget to add this green powerhouse to your shopping list. Pumpkin seeds might be small, but they pack a powerful punch when it comes to brain health. These nutritious seeds are rich in magnesium, iron, zinc, and copper, all of which play vital roles in brain function. Magnesium helps regulate neurotransmitters, while iron is essential for oxygen transport to the brain, supporting energy and cognitive performance. Zinc is crucial for nerve signaling and has been shown to improve memory and cognitive abilities. Incorporating pumpkin seeds into your diet is easy and convenient. You can sprinkle them on salads, add them to your yogurt or oatmeal, or simply enjoy them as a healthy snack. So don't underestimate the power of these tiny seeds. Last but not least, we have green tea, a soothing beverage enjoyed for centuries. It contains L-theanine, which promotes relaxation and reduces stress. This helps improve focus and attention. Green tea is also rich in antioxidants, protecting the brain from damage. Enjoy it hot or cold, plain or with lemon or honey. Brew a cup and toast to a healthier brain. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe for more health tips. Incorporating these brain-boosting foods can impact your cognitive health. From antioxidant-rich blueberries to soothing green tea, each food offers unique benefits. Maintaining brain health is a lifelong journey. The foods we choose play a significant role. Small, mindful changes support brain health, enhance your cognitive function. Stay healthy, stay happy, and nourish your brain.